Hey, this is Danielle, and I'm here with two new setups in Rocket Lab and Roblox. So let's go ahead and start off with Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab pulled back perfectly into the 50 simple. We have a really nice slingshot squeeze setting up. And if you look at the way that it bounced off of this zone right here, we have a great wick at the bottom of the candle, really nice hold of the 50 simple, and then now we are breaking out. Now, there is a bit of a wick on the top of the candles today, so there was a little bit of profit taking, but overall, really nice move here. And I think this one's headed to this previous high at 53 and then onwards and upwards into 60. So I think there's some pretty decent upside here. And this one has about 11% short float, so I think that this one could really keep going. So if we see a breakout up above this earnings candle right here, which would be right above 50, that's where I think we're going to retest that previous high and then go onwards and upwards into 60. The next one is going to be Roblox. This one I got into last week. Great hold, great bounce at the 50 simple. And now at this point, you can see that it gapped up really nicely today. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I think this one has short float too. Let me see. Oh, might not anymore. Let's see, Roblox. No. Okay, so now it only has 3% short float. So never mind. Not really enough short float to make a difference. But overall, still a pretty good trending stock, still a good momentum stock. You still have that slingshot squeeze. So I think overall, things look pretty good for this one to retest the previous high up here. That'll be up at about 150 or so, and then onwards and upwards into 160. So there's two setups for you to trade. If you want to come trade with us, you can trade in the Mastering the Trade room. This is where we find these setups, let everybody know about them, trade them, and more. Looking forward to seeing you there.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.